Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect IC markets to MT4. To begin, open the Secure Client area for your trading account. Once you're signed in, look to the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the page and click on Accounts. This is where you'll find the details needed to link your broker account to MetaTrader 4. Inside the Account section, locate the specific trading account you want to connect. You'll need to copy the login ID and the account password shown for that account. Make sure you copy these carefully, since even a small typing mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. It's also a good idea to keep this information private and avoid sharing it or displaying it on screen. Next, copy the server name associated with that trading account. The server is important because MT4 uses it to connect to the correct account environment. If the wrong server is selected, the login may fail even if the ID and password are correct. After that, open the MetaTrader 4 application on your computer. Once MT4 is running, move to the top left corner of the platform and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open an Account. This will open the broker and server search window, which is where you'll enter the server information you copied earlier. In the search field, paste the server name. Give MT4 a moment to search, and when the matching result appears, click on it to select it. This step tells MetaTrader 4 exactly which server it should use for your account connection. With the correct server selected, continue to the login area and enter the account ID and password you copied from the Secure Client area. Double-check both fields before proceeding. If you copied and pasted them, that can help reduce errors, especially with long or complex passwords. Once those details are entered, MT4 should be able to connect your IC Markets account. If the connection does not work right away, the most common causes are an incorrect password, an incorrect login ID, or choosing the wrong server. In most cases, reviewing those three details solves the issue quickly. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting your IC Markets account to MetaTrader 4. Take your time with each field, verify the server carefully, and your setup should be smooth and straightforward.